it's Brenda with Luke's. Let's talk about another foot for our 12 days of Christmas. We're going to talk about the Viking beading foot. And Alexis, is there a corresponding beading foot for the Genomes?
Absolutely.
Great, good. So this is my thought. I have some fabric here. It's Christmas fabric. I want to embellish it because when you have these fabulous machines, it's all about embellishing. What's better than beads? Now there's one word that I don't like to use, and that's hand. Hand sew? I don't think so. Not with the fabulous machines we have. So I'm going to take this foot, which is the beading foot. Lex, can you see it? Great. And on the underside of it is a nice slot, and that's where my beads are going to slide through so I can sew them down. So this is how we do it. We take our fabric, we're going to put some stabilizer on the back to support the stitches. I simply install my foot. I'm going to take the thread, the top thread, it feeds down through the hole in the foot. All right, and there are parameters that I set for the stitch. I'm using a zigzag stitch. It happens to be 4 millimeters wide and 4.5 millimeters long. So at this point, I'm going to extend the beads a little bit behind here. At this point, I am ready to go. Now, I am going to make a little bit of a curve here. Let's come back the other way. All right, good. So let's kick this up, pull it out, and I want you to see that this is amazing. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Now I use gray thread because I had silver beads. I can't see the thread. You could of course use invisible thread, but I'll tell you what, if you match it to your bead color, that's wonderful. Look at that. And how long did that take? Nothing at all. So come in today and get the bead foot for your Janome or for your Viking. We'll see you soon.